Welcome back once again. This is the third video in the mini unit on probability. In the last two videos, we learned what probability is. We learned there are two kinds of probability, theoretical and experimental. In this video, you will be getting a chance to practice and apply your knowledge of probability. It is now your turn to determine both a theoretical probability and experimental probability of rolling a die. To do this, you're going to need a die. Pause this video and go find one. I'll wait. You're back. Okay, before we begin the experiment, we should first determine the theoretical probability of the events. Take a minute to pause this video and answer these questions. When you are ready to check, press play. Okay, so question 1 asked us to list all the possible outcomes when rolling one die. If you're using a standard 6-sided die, you should have listed the following possible outcomes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 possible outcomes. The probability of rolling a 6 is 1 in 6. The probability of rolling a 1 is 1 in 6. The probability of rolling a 3 is also 1 in 6. We are equally likely to roll a 2 than a 4. The next question is a little trickier. First, we have to recall that 1, 3, and 5 are the odd numbers on a die. That is 3 out of 6 of our numbers, so that's a 3 out of 6 chance of rolling an odd number, or a 50% chance if we want to express it as a percentage. For question 7, we need to figure out which numbers are greater than 2. Numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6 are, so that's 4 possible numbers, giving us a theoretical probability of 4 out of 6. For number 8, there is no number we are more likely to roll because each number has an equal probability of being rolled. Now it's time to test it out. Pause this video and then roll one die 36 times. Record your answers, then tally up how many of each number you rolled. When you're ready, press play to compare your results with mine. These are my results. How do yours compare? Were these results what you expected? Why do you think they were or weren't what you expected? How do you think the results would change if you rolled the die 200 times? Think about it and discuss what you believe with a friend. This concludes our mini unit on probability. There are tons of instructional videos on YouTube, Khan Academy, and Math Antics if you still require further instruction. Thanks for watching.